Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing video of the inflatable boat that I purchased from China. Now I was going to purchase this from the UK, but there were a lot more money, so I thought what I'd do is I'd do what these companies do in the UK and find a manufacturer myself in China and have one built to my specs and sent over, and obviously at a fraction of the cost of what I would be paying over here in the UK. So call me a cheapskate. But yeah, so this boat is in between a kayak and a boat, so this one is long and thin. So what we'll do is we'll get into the video and we'll get it unboxed, and I'll give you a quick showing of it. So what I'll do is I'll start with this one first. I believe this is probably the seating, the pump and the repair kit, and maybe the bag that the boat goes in when you're packing it away. Don't need this for this one. Maybe I do. Yep, so here we go. This is the foot pump, and I can tell you right now this is going to be the first and last time I use this foot pump today. I've got an electric one coming. A little bit windy, as you can see. Let me just empty this out and I'll get back to you. So this is the contents of the first box. We've got the foot pump, as I've already mentioned. This looks like the inflatable keel, or the floor of the boat. And these would be the slats for the seating. Let that blow around in the wind. So there we go, got two seating slats there. They slide in, and I'll show you that when I get the boat open. So here we are, this is the second box. This is where the boat's going to be. The important part. Looks like customs opened this and checked it out. So here we have the bag that you put your boat in once you've transported it, transportation case. Put that to one side. Here we have the two oars. That's them. Them two go together, them two go together. Yep, so I'll empty this out and I'll show you that. So that's that box completely empty now, and what we're left with is the boat and the punch repair kit. Yep, so what you've got in there is some repair patches and some glue. The container that's in is semi-waterproof. There's no O-ring seal, but that doesn't matter. As it says there, repair kit. Let's get this unravelled and I'll show you that. So here we are unravelling it. So here we have it unravelled. It's 4.5 metres long. So as you can see, I've got a Nick's expiration put on the side there. You see that better when I've inflated it, which I will do now. This is inflatable floor going in. So here we are all set up, got bird crap on it already. I did cheat a little bit and use an electric pump just to start it off and then use the rest on the foot pump. I do have a 12-volt cigarette socket type inflatable pump thing coming tomorrow. So yeah, inflatable floor. Area at the front there for your storage of your bags or whatever. I did get these custom extra D-rings put on, so if I do put stuff under there I can tie them off there, stop them from coming further down. So yeah, there's the other one there. D-rings on the outside, they came standard anyway. Oars. And yeah, I think that's about it. The next clip you'll see is me testing it out in the sea or on a river. Hello, so yeah, now we're down at the water's edge. I got it in the water about 40-50 minutes ago. I was just having too much fun, so I didn't start recording. But yeah, so I'm going to show you what it's like on the water. So here we are on the water, we're just floating downstream. Going to see if I can start this motor on one pull. Should do. So I don't need to choke, just need it in neutral, restart, and pull. It's a really good engine is this. Big thank you to Bill Hyman Marine again for the external fuel tank. Go check them out for any of your boating needs. Let's get this turned around. It's a bit narrow in here.
enjoyed this video. I have been trying to get the drone up, but the app just keeps crashing. I installed it, reinstalled it, clicked on it, and it just keeps crashing, so I can't get no drone shots, unfortunately. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I've been on the water about 4 hours, so it's going to take me about 45 minutes to get back. So yeah, it's been a good afternoon out on the water here, testing this out. I'm really happy with it. It's definitely gonna do what I need it to do anyway. So yeah, look out for future videos, and until then, bye for now.